Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can send money in Cash App without a debit card. So let's say you don't have a debit card and you want to send money on your Cash App. You guys can use your bank account to do that, and the other way is by asking your friends. Now I'm gonna explain each one of this in detail, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So right now I have not linked my debit card on my Cash App, and if I want to send money to somebody, then I can ask my friend to send money into my Cash App. I can give my friend $30 in his hand and tell him to transfer the $30 in my Cash App. He can do that. I gave him cash, he gave him like the virtual cash in Cash App. Now I have $30 in my Cash App and I can send it to anybody. And the other method is through bank. What you can do is click on a profile picture at the top right corner of your screen on Cash App. Click on versus link banks. Click on versus link debit card over here. And over here at the bottom choose no card because we don't have a debit card. So we're going to use our bank account. Over here click on continue. And over here you need to choose which bank account you have. You can search for it if you don't see your bank here and just click on it. And it's going to ask you to verify if you're a human. So complete this process of I'm not a robot. Once it's completed, click on continue. And it's going to take you to the website of your bank where it's going to ask you to log in into your bank account. Now once you're on the website of your bank, you just enter your login ID and log in into your bank. Once you log in into your bank will be connected with Cash App, and then you can transfer money from your bank into your Cash App. After you do that, you're gonna have money on your Cash App and you can send it to whoever you want. Alright, so that's how you guys can send money in Cash App without a debit card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.